Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you. They are not stopping. There's a lot more for me to post up on my channel. So if you're interested in advent calendars of all sorts, or beauty in general, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So today I'm going to be showing you Aldi Lacura 24-day advent calendar. How stunning is this? It's really, really heavy. But look. It's all green vella with a black bow. It's beautiful. It is absolutely stunning. The cost of this advent calendar is £54.99. It's currently out of stock online, but you are able to purchase them in store and hopefully they might bring it back online very soon. All Aldi Lacura products are cruelty free, and inside this advent calendar contains everything you could think of from their ranges: skincare, makeup, candles, perfumes. I'm really excited, really excited. There's going to be a few items I've already tried and there's going to be a lot that I haven't, so let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. This is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. All green vella. I've just taken off the bow, but look inside. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? It feels really expensive. Yeah, I am super impressed. Super impressed. Okay, the numbers are all mixed up, so I'm gonna have to search them. But day number 1, we've got a jelly cleanser with marula oil, glycerin and watermelon extracts, and there's 15 mils here. Now they've not long released this range in store. I haven't tried them yet, I haven't bought anything, but they're dupes of Drunk Elephant. If you've tried any of these products that I'm showing you, please let me know what you think of them. But yeah, massage onto wet skin in circular motions until cleanse, can be used AM and PM. I don't want to shove it right up my nose, but I can't really smell much. And I don't want to squeeze it either. There's a slight scent there. So you've got a little mini jelly cleanser. Day number 2. This is a brow gel, a clear brow gel. Again, a new product for me. Now, my experience of Lacura is that the makeup isn't that great. Some of it is, some of it isn't. But the skincare and body care, amazing. Really lovely. I wonder how strong that is. I love a good brow gel, but it has to be super strong, like glue. I'm not sure. That's day 2. Day 3. And we've got a pillow mist. This is a Healthy Glow Overnight Relaxing Pillow Mist. Healthy Glow with jasmine, lavender and chamomile, and there's 15 mils here. Spray a generous amount onto your pillow. Patch test on a discreet section of the fabric before use. Okay. Why is it Healthy Glow when it's a spray for your pillow? It smells really nice. Of all the sleep and pillow sprays that I have tried and tested and have, I'd say this is more on the very subtle side. It's not a strong scent at all. But yeah, Healthy Glow. I'm confused with that because when I first read it, I thought, oh, it's a Healthy Glow Overnight Relaxing Spray for your face, but no, for your pillow. Is that? Day number 4. And we've got a makeup setting spray, long lasting setting spray, and there's 10 mils here. Maximises the staying power of your makeup and prevents makeup from fading and transferring throughout the day. If this is the same one that I have tried, I do really like it. If it's the same one, this was about a year, 2 years ago that I bought the setting sprays. I think they came out with a few different ones, so I'm not too sure actually. I'm not sure. But yeah, I wonder if there's any full-size products in here, because Lacura isn't a pricey brand. You're talking a couple of pound for each product. So far we've just had little minis, haven't we? But we'll see, we'll see. Day number 5, down here. Oh, I like this. I've already got one of these. It is really, really lovely. It's in the fridge. Got a little makeup fridge, makeup skincare fridge. I'll share it with my daughter. It's Avocado Bright Eyes Overnight Retinol Sleeping Mask. It is really, really nice. It's a dupe of Glow Recipe. And yeah, look. It's nice and thick and creamy. Yeah, gorgeous. Day number 6. Oh, I got a perfume. This is Floral No Blanc. And that is it. And that is it. We've got 25 mils here. It's Perfume. I don't know what perfume this is supposed to be. Usually they're a dupe of something, aren't they? But what do you smell like? Oh, that is nice. Floral. I was expecting it to be rosy, which I don't like. This is nice. Yeah. Deserves a spray on my hand. It is nice. It's not strong. I don't know what it is. If that is a dupe of a perfume, please let me know down below. But love the little bottle. That'll go with my perfume collection behind me. Day number 7. I can't find... Oh, right at the top here. We've got a vitamin C serum with 15% vitamin C and pumpkin and pomegranate enzymes. And there's 25 mils here. That sounds lovely. I don't recognise this one. Apply evenly to clean skin in the evening, 2 to 3 times a week. Wait until fully absorbed before applying a moisturiser. Application should be phased in gradually in case of redness. In case of redness, please use less frequently. 15% vitamin C, that's quite a hefty dose. Yeah, I like that. Oh, my belly! Oh, my belly! Can you hear it? It's grumbling really loud. Hopefully you can't. I just need food. Number 8, day number 8. And we've got this is quite new I think as well, Hemp hand cream for extremely dry hands with hemp seed oil, and there's 5 mils. I'm sure this is quite new. Recently seen it on their website. Oh, it's just like a really thick body butter. Oh, fab. Is this a dupe for the Body Shop, do you reckon? It feels exactly the same from what I can remember. Really thick, protective cream for your hands. Yeah, let me know if I'm wrong. There's that. Day number 9. We've got a cleansing balm. Lightweight makeup remover for all skin types. We've got 25 grams there. Is this an Emma Hardy dupe? Enriched with moringa oil, shea butter and cocoa butter. Because these aren't in their packaging, they're not easy to spot what they're dupes of. Is it Emma Hardy dupe? Definitely. Just smells the same. Yeah, moringa. Day number 10. Up here. We've got a vitamin C and turmeric oil with vitamin C and E, turmeric and essential oils. It's 25 mils here. Massage onto clean skin. Wait a few minutes for product to absorb before applying a moisturiser. As a treatment, use twice a week or when your skin needs an extra boost. Now, that's something new for me as well. Got face oil. I think that was day number 10, wasn't it? So we're on day number 11 down here. And we've got a rose water Masala cleansing water. And we got 30 mils here. Again, a new product for me. It says rose water micellar cleansing water removes dirt and makeup from the eyes, lips and face without rinsing or harsh rubbing. And yeah, it just says use with a cotton pad to remove makeup, do not rinse. It's got a micellar water. Day number 12 up here. And we've got a pineapple microdermabrasion scrub with pineapple enzyme. And we've got 15 mils here. It says massage onto wet skin in circular motions, rinse thoroughly, use 2 to 3 times weekly. So you've got a facial scrub. I'm lost now. What number are we? 13. I think we're on number 13. And this is wrapped up. We've got a Dewy Lip Balm in Berry. And there's 7 mils here. I'm going to have something to eat. Can you hear? Ooh, look. Oh, that looks lovely. Oh, that smells amazing. Strawberries. It just smells gorgeous. I'm just going to be licking that off my lips all the time. But I don't know how long that will last on my lips. Can you lick it? It tastes of strawberry as well. Day number 14. We've got a Healthy Glow Plumping Serum, Hydrating Face Serum, Chamomile, Retinol and Acacia lotion. Acacia Acacia collagen. I can't pronounce it. And we got 25 mils there. Yeah, you can have a look. So it says here, for use daily after cleansing and toning your face, massage 2 to 3 drops into the skin or add 2 drops to your moisturiser before applying for extra hydration. So healthy glow, a plumping serum. Day number 15. Down here, I've got a candle. And this is Night Orchid. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Night Orchid. That is lovely. Now I know they do have dupes of some Jo Malone candles, but I'm not that familiar with them. They're quite pricey, so I've never actually gone out and bought one. But I have bought some Lacura ones. Lime and basil one I've bought before, which is lovely. Is Night Orchid Jo Malone? I'm not sure. Or is that just a normal Aldi one that they've made themselves? It does smell really, really lovely. Day number 16 up here. And it's wrapped up. We've got a little mascara. This is a Benefit dupe of their Real, by the looks of it. Yeah, too legit. It's just too legit. In black. A little mini one. That's cute. I don't like this mascara though. I don't like the original. I've tried this one and I've tried the original. I mean the one that they're copying, the Benefit one. And no, it just doesn't do anything to my lashes. I do like a few Benefit mascaras, but not this one. Not even their newest one, which came out, was it last year, the Magnet one? That didn't do anything either. So I'll see if my daughter might want that. 17 over here. I've got another perfume. I thought that said Jesus Belle. It's not. Je suis belle. I've got dyslexia. It's Perfume, 25 mils there. Gorgeous bottles. So what do you smell like? I've smelled that before. It's too fruity for me. It's nice. It is really nice, but it's too fruity. Too sweet, I mean. Oh, I've smelt it somewhere before. Je suis belle. Yeah, it's got to be a dupe. Got to be. Day number 18 at the top. And we've got a Wanderlust Rescue Mask. And there's 15 mils here. Is this to apply if you're on a plane or something? Apply a thin layer of our Lacura Rescue Mask onto cleansed dry skin. For best results, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. No need to rinse. Massage in any residue. No, Wanderlust Rescue Mask. It's got a little aeroplane on there. So I'd imagine if you fly a lot, got dehydrated skins, that type of thing, and that would be good. What is that? Day number 19. Oh. There, down here. We've got an Ebony Rose face cream, hydrating and moisturising. And there's 15 mils here. Helps promote a more radiant looking and hydrated complexion, formulated with black rose extract and shea butter. This face cream helps skin appear more smooth, soft and plump. Try a tiny bit there. Oh, just nice, fresh, subtle smell. Oh, it feels lovely. It feels lovely. It's got a face cream. 5 more to go. Day number 20. Here. And we've got a primer. This is Snapshot Ready Foundation Primer. And it's a dupe of the Smashbox primer. Now, I have tried this a couple of years ago, I think I have. In all honesty, even though I'm not that impressed with their makeup, I think I liked this. I think I did. You're not going to be able to see anything there. I just, want to feel it. I honestly can't remember. But I love the Smashbox one. Absolutely love it. It's great at blurring out pores. Yeah, I like that. Day number 21. Why is it so hard for me to find them? Oh, I've got an Ebony Rose face mask. Illuminates and soothes, and there's 20 mils here. Ooh. So I've got a moisturising cream and now a face mask. Promotes a more illuminated and moisturised complexion, formulated with black rose extract, pro vitamin B5 and 6% shea butter. Skin appears more smooth, soft and plump. that. Day number 22. Just here. We've got another rose. Or another rose. No, we haven't. Another candle. This is Rose Noir. I can't smell anything. I was expecting it to have a rosy smell. Rose Noir. I can't smell anything. No. How strange. Maybe when I light it, the scent will come then. Day number 23. Down the bottom here. And we've got a James Read dupe, which I haven't tried before. This is Luxury Illuminating Tan Drops. I think so. I think so. I might be wrong. This is light medium tan drops. Great for applying straight onto your face for a gradual tan, or what I do, I tend to mix it in a moisturiser for a more gradual glow. But yeah, 10 mils. And it says here, apply 2 to 4 drops to moisturiser and apply as normal, reapply daily to build a deeper colour. Then it just says, make sure you wash your hands immediately or else you'll have tan hands. So yeah, it's got some tan drops. Day number 24, the last day in the advent calendar. What have we got? We've got a gorgeous bronzer. Look, this is Dream Big bronzer, and how do I open it? Packaging is stunning. Look at the Benefit bronzers. So you've got a mirror there which you can hold on. You've got a little brush as well. It is beautiful. Oh, I really like that. The brush is nice and soft as well, although I never use the brushes that come with the bronzers. This is a light to medium bronze. How does it blend out? Get a gorgeous glow all year around with this universally flattering matte bronzer. Sweep across the forehead, cheeks and bridge of the nose for a natural sun-kissed complexion. So that's a day number 25. We've got a bronzer. As far as the products are concerned, there's a lot of products I haven't tried before. I love the fact that we've got perfumes and candles, even though one doesn't really smell of anything, but I'm hoping that once it's lit, it will release the aromas maybe. Initially, I thought, oh no, is this advent calendar going to be full of little minis, little sample sizes? But no, it's not. It's a mix, and a good mix of skincare and makeup as well. I think for £54.99, it's really affordable with some really lovely products. I'd love to know how much it is worth though. I can't find any information on the website about that, but so it'd be interesting to know how much, if you add everything all up together, how much it would be worth. But I'd love to hear what you think. Have you ordered an Aldi Lacura advent calendar, or are you watching this wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.